Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to create transparent text effect in Canva, easy Canva tutorial. First, to be able to begin, just head on to canva.com and onto the upper part corner of the screen, click on to create a design. So there are a lot of options to choose from. Just go ahead and click on to custom size and then add in your own width and height. Then right after, just click on to create new design and then you'll get redirected onto the editing page. Add in the photos that you want to use here on uploads onto the left side. So I have different photos in here that we could use. For example, this one. And then we're going to go ahead and set this image as a background. Then we'll double click onto this so that we could edit this just like that. So you could go ahead and drag and drop it just like that. Or you could go ahead and design this as per your liking. Right after, let's add in some text. Click on the text in here, add in a heading. And then right after, just add any text that you want to add. For example, Canva. You can change the font here onto the upper part of the screen. Then you could also resize this to make this bigger. And then also you could change the color for this one. Now it should go ahead and look something like this. So let's position this onto the center. After here onto effects onto the upper part corner of the screen, we need to use or change the style, which is hollow. So simply click onto that and it should look something like this. And then you could adjust the thickness for this one or you could lessen this one. Right after, we need to save this one first. Click onto share, click onto download in here, and then onto the file type, just choose PNG and then click onto download again. So while waiting, we need to add in a new page again in here. And then once that one is already downloaded in here, so let's drop it in here again. Just have to resize this to go ahead and fit onto the screen. And then right after, you need to go ahead and click onto this one to click onto edit image here onto the upper part corner of the screen. Right after, click onto the background remover and wait for this one to be finished. Now it should look something like this. Now right after, you need to download this one, this page too. Click onto download again. And then here onto all pages, just choose in the page 2. Click onto done and make sure the transparent background is checked. Click onto download again and wait for this one to be finished. Now head back onto the first page and then click onto the text and click onto effects again. So we're going to go ahead and remove the hollow style effect in here. Click onto none and it should look something like this. Then right after, just go ahead and download in here the recently downloaded design with the background removed. So as you can see, it's still loading. You'll just have to wait for that. Or drag and drop it. It will fit the screen. And then here onto the layer, make sure that you bring this one to front. And as you can see, it did created a transparent text effect in Canva. And that is just basically it, how you do it. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.